Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a tutorial and a makeup look and a couple outfits. But for right now, I do want to speak on something because I think that there is so much happening in this world, not only with COVID, the pandemic, but here in America and honestly everywhere else in the world. When it comes to race, there's just been some horrible incidents that have happened, and as a non-black, I can never fully understand what any black man or woman or child goes through, and I am truly privileged, and it's insane to think about that. For all my non-blacks, all my non-black viewers, I want you to understand and be humbled by that, and understand that we have to stand and help, because this has gone on for too long and we have to do what we can to make a difference in this world. Sign all the petitions, sign all the petitions we can, email, call, text, anything that we can possibly do to help protest. If you can't protest, just do everything you can from home. And no matter what you think, I just think that we have to realize that this issue is about just understanding that we are all beautiful humans and we deserve to be treated as so. And I really hope that we can find that one day. And I know that this isn't going to change overnight. It hasn't for the past hundreds of years. But hopefully we can instill some light and knowledge into the generations to come, and slowly and surely I pray and hope that this will all get better. And on my Instagram, I will constantly be putting out different petitions that you can sign, different Instagram posts that I think people should see, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram to see those. There's so much, like, we live in a beautiful world that we can literally do so much from our fingertips, and we need to take advantage of that. So please, if you can, just do what you can, do what you feel like you should, and yeah. Alrighty guys, so that is the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, it's just kind of me copying the essence of the show, just the whole aesthetic of it. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, like I said in the beginning, there's a lot happening in this world, and I really hope that we all can do what we can to make a difference and just lead with love and kindness. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday.